Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to program DirecTV remote to Samsung TV. Start by turning on your Samsung TV using the power button on the TV or your existing remote. Make sure the screen is fully on before moving to the next step. Now take your DirecTV remote and check the model number, usually found inside the battery compartment. This helps you use the correct setup codes. Next, go to the DirecTV remote code lookup using a phone or computer. Enter your remote model and select Samsung as your TV brand. You will see a list of 5-digit codes. Keep this list nearby because you may need to try more than one code. Pick up your DirecTV remote. Press and hold the mute and select buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the green light at the top of the remote flashes twice. This means the remote is ready to be programmed. Now use the number pad on the remote to enter the first 5-digit code from your list. After entering the code, point the remote at your TV and press the volume up button. You can also try the power button. Watch the TV closely to see if it responds. If the volume changes or the TV turns off, the setup is complete. If nothing happens, repeat the same steps using the next code from your list. It may take a few tries before you find the correct one. Thanks for watching.